Alright, so this has to be like my fourth time trying to live stream. Let me test the audio real quick. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so this has to be like my fourth time trying to live stream. Let me test the audio real quick. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it works. Probably should have just listened to the preamble I said. Alright, welcome to another iteration of Robot Tail Game Dev. Now, what I'm doing this time around is I'm doing a super cool webcam. Let me adjust it real quick. Let me just see it being adjusted real quick on the live stream, because I'm not sure how this is actually going to turn out. Yeah, it's probably good enough. So, new camera up there. That's neat. Might as well record my reactions, because you never know what's going to happen on these live streams. Let me check the stream health. Oh. I mean, hold on, it is 30 FPS, right? Give me a second. The live stream of this stream is 1440p, 30 FPS. Yeah, it's regular resolution. Okay, I'm a little scared because the stream says that it's the frame rate is too high. That's a little scary. So bear with me. I'm also gonna pull out Afterburner. Yes, I wanted to change my stuff. Alright, I'm just gonna check Afterburner real quick and see if my computer is doing anything, if it's too much. Where's the CPU usage? Yeah, it is a little high. Oh well, that's just what happens. Alright, so continuing where we left off, you know, doing the animator right here, all this fancy, you know, systems and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go quickly change that. I think I have a script for that here. Yeah, here it is, the animation character script. Edit that script right here. So the legs animation, yes, I have it right here. Not sure how I want to do this. I guess the obvious route is just go that's this is for flipping. This is for body head animation. Let me do some stuff. I just want to quickly type in body dot set integer. Where's the integer? Here it is. And then obviously I want to type in, what's it called again? Leg speed. So leg speed. And the value is anim array 2. So the anim array will equal So anim array will always equal the input of 2. No. Huh, how do I want to do this? The legs animation, there should be a threshold for this type of stuff. So public, we'll call this no. Alright, this will always be set to anim array 2, but I have an idea. So this will be called public int. Just call this thresh leg speed. How do you spell threshold? I know it's sort of embarrassing for to just spell threshold. Yeah, it's just called threshold. So yeah, that will be always that. We'll say this is equal to 0. No, 2. Just say like 0 for now. Now the idea is that when input, no, leg threshold is plus or equals to the leg, if the input of 2 maybe we can use velocity. Where's the velocity factor? Let me change this. Player interfacer. So the X velocity, I'm trying to find that. Speed current. Yes, speed current. So here's a better idea. So let me import speed current. This is from the, where's this from? The game object. Speed current. We'll just say initialize game components. And this can just be called 1 is necessary. Forward means forward, yes. And then the initialization after this is done. Well, it's really important. So the speed current is equal to game object dot get component physics interfacer. Why did I do that? And there we go. Oh yeah, we're supposed to set this to speed current. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Let's say that anim array equals, no, anim array 2 equals the if speed current is greater than 1. No, math f dot absolute value, because we need the actual speed, not, you know, because it could be negative velocity, it could be positive velocity, but we need the absolute speed going any direction of speed. So actually we don't need this. So if the absolute value of speed current is greater than 2, then set the anim array set the anim array to 1. And I forgot, of course, to add the question mark. That's just me being a dumb typist. And I'm just gonna say if this is actually equal to math f dot you know what, maybe I can no, that won't work. How about we just have a separate value? So be called speed current, and when I say separate, I mean like set this later on, equal the math dot absolute value of the speed current dot actually this should be a float. This can be just called and this can just be called physics data. Physics data. Yes. Physics data equal this is a new value. It's called the float speed current equal math physics data dot speed current. So alright, that makes sense. It's the absolute value and all that. So instead this will be speed current is greater than 2. Also if speed current is greater than 10, just, no, how about 7, then 1, oh, this can be 2, and an array 2. There. Let's test if that works. Index out of range. What? Line 41. Okay, so I guess anim arrays or whatever is out of range. We can fix that real quick with the adding another leg speed, set integer parameter. Leg speed does not exist. Oh, this is it. This is like it, right? I mean, what is animation body? Animator, leg speed. This is definitely a value. Do I need to clarify or something? Hold on, let me just get this to over here. Let me look. Do I need to put this over here and then run it? And then body animation value does not exist. Oh, the drama. Can I have like a second one? Perhaps I need another one. And that we should call this animation leg. And that this should be called. I don't know what that's gonna do, but let's test. Sort of just doing the moonwalk there. Oh boy, I think I'm gonna have to do it. I'm going to have to mess with the find object. But first, let me see if there's anything I can do. Get component in children, get component in children, get components in children. Perhaps I need that. Get components in children. And then just anything in the animator type. Yes, that looks fine. Animation lag in the 1 index. Yes, that's good. Now, time to see if this baby works. Animator is not playing an animator controller. What? Line 45, where are you? Animator is not playing an animator controller. What the heck does that mean? You know what, I'm just gonna search it up online. Huh. I'm not sure how to do it. I have an idea. How about just do it the old-fashioned way? Game object dot find the string name, which is what's it called again? Body dot get components dot then animator. It's a method, so there we go. Darn it, forgot about that part. Let's see if that works. What happened? What's the current speed? I have an idea. This has to be greater than 0.8. This has to be 0.3. So like 30% speed, 80% of speed. Maybe set the values a little different. You know, why not? Good old 4. Save that. Go back here. Run. Check. Maybe change this to 9. Run. And let's see what happens. Is something magical gonna happen? This should probably just be 0. Straight up. Wonder what happens if I do that. Part of me wants to make it so that the max speed has a say in this. So instead, how about instead of 0? But no. How about if it's stats times the physics data dot, and what is it called again? The max speed. Let's see what that happens. So if we set this to something like 2, perhaps we should set this to about 4. Wait, no. 4, yeah, 4. Sets to 2. 3. I want the speed to be variable so that, let's say that the physics, no, the animation body, no, animation leg, yes, dot. Is there like a speed? So, in the case that anim array equal, anim array 2 is equal to 1, and the you know what, I think that's good enough, and there's no need for and. It will be equal to anim array. No. Physics data. No, speed current divided by 0.2f ish. And if that's not the case, it's just gonna be 1. So essentially what this is saying is that in the case that anim array does equal 1, it's just gonna do some weird variable stuff. If it isn't, well, it's just anim array 2. Or just 1. What's gonna happen? What happens if I set this to 2? Oh my. What am I looking at? That is just... It looks like the Dexter walk animation. Actually, you know what? I'm doing it right now. I'm looking it up. How's the streaming? Oh, it's still bad. I want to compare that to Dexter watch. It's Dexter walk animation. Doing it right now. This should be some sort of GIF. Where is it? Come on, it has to be somewhere. No, what? Where is it? Come on. You tell me that there isn't any classic example of the Dexter walk animation. And great, now I have to censor. Great, now I have to. This video can't. Who puts this stuff on Google Images? Why is it that when I Google Dexter walk animation and I see that imagery? Like, what sick man trusts that type of stuff? Oh god. Oh god, only the internet. So I can't show it right now because obviously I don't have the, you know, I can't find it online, but anyone who has watched Dexter's Laboratory will know what that is, what I'm talking about. Alright, well, time to set this down a notch. So, no, there. So, now that it's put down a notch, let's see what happens. Let's say that the darn it, let's take max speed is 2. Nope, still too fast. What if I do that? Will it be better? Will it be worse? Great questions of life. Oh, darn it, I hate it when that scale is incorrect. It doesn't get slower. That's the great mystery of all of this. Oh my god, I am an idiot. I forgot that dividing by a fraction is gonna make the value greater. Oh, jeez. How did I graduate from freshman high school? Algebra 2. Alright, god, now it's slow as all hell. So how about instead just that? And then when I play this, maybe slightly a little faster, like 1.7. Wait, no, wait, hold on. Yeah, 1.7. What the heck? So if I set this to 5, well then he starts to run, but you know. What's the threshold again? 5. Change this to 5 real quick. So standard running, that's great, but this 4